Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So here we go. Equilibrium and reaction rates videos. So third video, that's factors affecting reaction rates. So here we go. Bam! Factors affecting reaction rates. Number one is temperature. Temperature. An increase in temperature will increase the rate. I'm going to give you a few pictorials for each one of these. Look at that car. It's going faster. It's at higher temperature. Okay? Number two, concentration. An increase in concentration will increase the rate. Here's a group of rats. If you increase the rats, then they're going to more likely fight. Number three, particle size. Smaller particles will increase the rate. So there's a pictorial of a Rubik's Cube right over there, and if you chop up that Rubik's Cube into smaller and smaller parts, you increase the surface area, and that increased surface area will increase the rate. Next one is a catalyst. A catalyst provides an alternate mechanism and lowers the activation energy barrier, that graphic that we had before, and these reactions occur faster as a result. Now, generally, all of these are the case. Okay, this is an example of that catalyst. See that castle right there? It has a moat around it. It's hard to get over there, but this barrier here is a different barrier, and this is just a drawbridge, and opening up that drawbridge creates a different route. Okay, so just to make sure that you understand the catalyst, I'm going to point out a few things to the graphic that we had before. We got reactants, we got products, we got our activation energy barrier, we got our activated complex, that's our most strained point of our molecule or molecules, and our activation energy barrier of the catalyst. So enzymes lower the activation energy barrier and proceed via a different mechanism and typically occur in less time than an uncatalyzed event. Again, I'm going to point out another castle here. It has a moat around it. It's really hard to get to the castle if you're going to swim across the moat, boat across the moat, scuba dive over to the castle, and then try to access the inside of the castle because you have to crawl over the walls. Okay? But if you open up the drawbridge, then you can easily get into the castle. So, an uncatalyzed event is going via the moat. A catalyzed event is a different mechanism and going across the drawbridge. It costs less energy. And that right there was the third video in the series of equilibrium and reaction rates.